Deep within the lush, humid tropical regions of Africa, South Asia, and the Pacific, a dazzling insect quietly makes its home, the jewel wasp, scientifically known as Ampulex compressa. This remarkable creature is rarely seen by casual observers, yet it plays a vital role in the intricate web of life that thrives beneath the dense canopy. Its body shimmers with metallic emerald and blue hues, catching the sunlight in flashes of brilliance. Paired with its vibrant red legs, the jewel wasp looks like a living gem, a tiny treasure gliding silently across the forest floor. Its beauty is so striking that it almost seems out of place among the tangled roots and fallen leaves. But beneath this captivating exterior lies a chilling and fascinating purpose. Unlike the social wasps that build elaborate hives, the jewel wasp is a solitary hunter, moving alone through the undergrowth in search of its next target. Her mission is singular and relentless: to find a cockroach host for her offspring. This is no ordinary act of predation. It's a feat of biological precision and, some might say, macabre ingenuity. Unlike typical predators that kill their prey outright, the jewel wasp employs a far more complex strategy. She doesn't simply hunt to eat, she hunts to create life. Over countless generations, she's evolved a method so intricate and precise that it has fascinated scientists for decades. Researchers have spent years observing her behavior, trying to unlock the secrets behind her unique approach to survival. The jewel wasp is what scientists call a parasitoid. She uses a living host, specifically the common cockroach, as a vessel to nurture and protect her developing young, ensuring their survival in a harsh world. Cockroaches, with their resilience and abundance, make the perfect vessel for her larvae. Their ability to thrive in almost any environment means the jewel wasp rarely has to search far for a suitable host. What follows is a daily drama of evolutionary engineering, a remarkable interaction that unfolds mostly hidden from human eyes deep within the mysterious world of the forest floor. The cockroach, completely unaware of the danger lurking nearby, goes about its daily business. It scuttles through the leaf litter, antennae twitching, searching for food and shelter, never suspecting that it is being watched. Until the jewel wasp, a master of stealth and precision, locks onto her unsuspecting target. Much smaller than its prey, the wasp relies on cunning, not strength. She knows she cannot overpower the cockroach by force alone, so she must outsmart it. She approaches with calculated patience, circling and waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Every movement is deliberate, every pause a part of her strategy. In a flash, she attacks, aiming for a precise spot on the cockroach's body. Her movements are swift, almost too quick to see. The cockroach thrashes wildly, desperate to break free, but the wasp clings on, determined and unyielding. Every move is part of a carefully choreographed sequence, not a random struggle. The wasp's actions are guided by instinct and evolutionary perfection. The wasp's goal isn't to kill, but to prepare her victim for a far stranger fate, one that will ensure the survival of her own offspring. She grabs the cockroach's thorax, holding tight as it struggles, her grip unrelenting as she maneuvers into position. If she succeeds, she'll perform an act of biological precision, injecting her venom with surgical accuracy. If not, she must start over, risking her own safety. This is a test of skill and determination, one that decides the fate of both creatures and the next generation of wasps. The wasp's persistence is legendary. She rarely gives up, returning again and again until she succeeds or is forced to retreat. If the cockroach escapes, battered but alive, the hunt begins anew, and the wasp resumes her relentless search for another unwitting host. With the cockroach pinned, the jewel wasp delivers her first sting straight into the thoracic ganglion. This venom causes temporary paralysis in the cockroach's front legs, disabling its escape. The wasp isn't trying to kill, just to immobilize. This is the anesthetic before the main operation. The effect is immediate. The cockroach's frantic struggles fade, its legs go limp. The wasp's knowledge of her host's nervous system is instinctual and precise. Scientists marvel at this miniature act of chemical warfare. The paralysis lasts just long enough for the wasp to prepare for her next, even more delicate move. Now, the stage is set for a feat of insect neurosurgery. The Jewel Wasp now targets the cockroach's brain, moving with a precision that seems almost surgical. Every movement is calculated, every step deliberate. As she prepares for the next phase of her attack, she carefully maneuvers her stinger, seeking out two specific neural clusters hidden deep within the cockroach's head. Her antennae tap and probe, ensuring she finds the exact spot she needs. Her venom is injected directly into the subesophageal and supraesophageal ganglia, critical centers for escape and movement. This is not a random attack, but a targeted strike at the very core of the cockroach's autonomy. This isn't a simple toxin, it's a sophisticated neuromodulator that erases the cockroach's will to flee. The chemicals disrupt the neural circuits, responsible for self-preservation, leaving the cockroach unable to resist. The cockroach can still walk, its legs moving as before, but it no longer tries to escape danger. Its instincts have been muted, its drive to survive switched off. It's now a living zombie, fully mobile but utterly compliant. The cockroach's body is intact, but its mind is no longer its own. The wasp can lead her much larger victim anywhere she wants, guiding it by the antenna as if it were a docile pet on a leash. The cockroach, once independent and alert, is now a puppet, its instincts silenced, its actions dictated by the wasp's will. This living pantry must remain alive for the wasp's larva, kept fresh and helpless, unable to escape its grim destiny. The Jewel Wasp's venom is a masterstroke of evolutionary engineering, a product of millions of years of adaptation and natural selection. The stage is set for the final act of this grim drama, as the wasp prepares to secure her offspring's future at the expense of her captive. The cockroach's fate is sealed, its story now entwined with the wasp's in a chilling display of nature's ingenuity and cruelty. With her zombie in tow, the wasp leads the cockroach to a burrow. She doesn't carry it. Instead, she tugs its antenna like a leash, and the cockroach follows. This surreal procession winds through the undergrowth, the cockroach moving only when pulled. The wasp may pause to groom or drink nectar. The cockroach waits, motionless. Eventually they reach a small hole or crevice, the cockroach's tomb and the wasp larva's nursery. The wasp guides her captive inside, where it enters without resistance. The cockroach is now entombed, awaiting its final purpose. The wasp's control is absolute, her strategy chillingly effective. The final grim stage is about to begin. Inside the burrow, the wasp lays a single egg on the cockroach's leg. She inspects her work, then seals the entrance with pebbles and soil to protect her offspring. The cockroach, alive but passive, stands motionless, its instincts suppressed. The venom keeps it fresh, a living incubator for the wasp's larva. If the cockroach were dead, it would decay too quickly for the larva to survive. The wasp's strategy ensures a high-quality meal for her young. Her work done, the wasp flies off, never to see her offspring again. The cockroach remains, entombed and awaiting its fate. This entire process is encoded in the wasp's DNA, no learning required. The drama inside the burrow is just beginning. Days later, the wasp's egg hatches into a tiny larva. It burrows into the cockroach, feeding first on non-essential tissues to keep its host alive. The larva grows, consuming the cockroach from the inside out, saving vital organs for last. The cockroach, still under the venom spell, cannot resist. After about a week, the larva has hollowed out its host, leaving only the exoskeleton. Inside, it spins a cocoon and pupates, transforming into an adult wasp. 4 weeks later, the new wasp emerges, breaking free from the cockroach's shell and the sealed burrow. If female, she will soon begin the cycle anew, hunting, stinging, and creating another living nursery. The cycle of chilling precision continues. Nature's design is both brutal and brilliant. The Jewel Wasp story is a testament to nature's complexity and ingenuity. It's not just a hunter, but a master manipulator, rewiring its prey's mind with surgical precision. This strategy, keeping the host alive but docile, is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. Scientists study the wasp's venom for insights into brain chemistry and potential medical breakthroughs. The jewel wasp blurs the line between instinct and intelligence, showing how even the smallest creatures can perform acts of astonishing complexity. Its tail is one of chilling beauty and ruthless efficiency. The wasp's dance with its zombie cockroach is not cruelty, but survival, an unsettling masterpiece of evolution. In the grand tapestry of life, the jewel wasp shines as one of nature's most extraordinary designs.